Nearly everyone does it. It's a bond among humans, but also one that forces us apart, and that's snoring. Data shows it's one of the top reasons more than a third of American couples choose to sleep separately. Are you looking at your partner right now going, yeah, so why do we snore? And what can we do to stop it? Here's the answer. Experts say for some, snoring can be little more than a mild inconvenience, but for others, it can cause underlying health issues. Nearly 1 billion people worldwide suffer from sleep apnea, a condition often associated with heavy snoring that's linked to health complications like high blood pressure. Whether you're dealing with mild or severe snoring, its prevalence comes with age and is more common in men than women. UCLA professor Dr. Nina Shapiro says when it comes to children, snoring is caused by the enlargement of the tonsils and adenoids. For adults, snoring can be caused by allergies, dietary choices, even weak muscles that lead to blocked breathing and subsequent snoring. So how can we fix all that? Experts say how you sleep at night and what medications you take could affect how you sleep, or the muscles in your mouth. One idea is to have your partner monitor or record you while you sleep. Another option is using an app that tracks breathing patterns and sleep quality. It never hurts to visit a sleep physician for a formal evaluation. Doctors say if one's snoring habits are not serious and the discovery of mouth snoring is made, many people even tape their mouths closed at night. That doesn't sound very pleasant, but that's the answer.